Hello, welcome back everyone to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex and I am hungry just thinking about today's topic.
Haha, I'm Sam right here with you, and same, Alex. I'm already planning what I'm going to eat after this episode.
Today we're talking about one of the most fun, most delicious, and most useful places to practice English, the restaurant.
Whether you're traveling, living in an English-speaking country, or just want to be ready for that special night out, knowing how to handle a restaurant in English is essential.
Our topic is Learn English at the Restaurant, and we're going to cover everything. Walking in, ordering food, talking to the server, dealing with problems, paying the bill, and even making small talk.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident walking into any restaurant and handling the whole experience in English.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. Lots of examples, lots of repetition. You'll be ordering like a pro.
So get comfortable. Let's start at the very beginning. You're hungry. You find a restaurant. What happens first?
Walking in. You open the door, a server might say, "Welcome," or "How many?" meaning how many people in your group.
You can say, "Table for two, please," or "Just me," or "We have 4 people."
They might ask, "Do you have a reservation?" If you booked ahead, say yes under the name Alex. If not, say, "No, we don't."
Then they'll say, "Right this way," or "Follow me," and take you to your table.
Now you're sitting down. They might hand you menus and say, "Your server will be right with you," or just, "Enjoy your meal."
Now let's talk about the menu. This can be overwhelming. So many words.
But don't worry, you don't have to understand every word. Look for things you recognize. Ask questions.
When the server comes, they might say, "Hi, I'm Sam. I'll be your server today. Can I start you with something to drink?"
Easy. I'll have water, please. Can I get a Coke? What juices do you have?
If you want something specific, "I'd like a lemonade, please. Do you have hot tea?"
After you order drinks, they might leave and give you time to look at the food menu.
Now let's learn some common food sections on a menu.
Appetizers, or starters, are small dishes before the main meal, like soup, salad, bread, wings.
Main course or entrees are the big dish: burgers, pasta, steak, fish, chicken.
Sides are extra little things: fries, vegetables, rice.
Desserts are sweet things after: cake, ice cream, pie.
Beverages are drinks.
Now, when the server comes back, they'll ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If you're ready, you can say, "Yes, I'll have the burger, please," or "I'd like the grilled chicken."
If you have questions, ask, "What comes with the burger? Is the soup vegetarian? What's in this salad?"
Servers are used to questions. They want you to enjoy your meal. Ask away.
You might also hear, "How would you like that cooked?" for steak or burgers.
Options are rare, very red inside; medium rare, a little red; medium, pink; medium well, a little pink; well done, fully cooked, no pink.
If you're not sure, just say, "Medium, please." That's safe.
Now, special requests. Can I have no onions? Can I get extra sauce? Can I substitute fries for salad?
Some places allow substitutions, some don't. Just ask politely, "Is it possible to—"
After you order, they'll say, "Great, I'll put that in for you," or "Coming right up."
Now you wait. This is a good time for conversation if you're with someone.
Small talk. "This place is nice. Have you been here before? I'm so hungry, I can't wait."
Or if you're alone, you can just enjoy the atmosphere. Maybe read a book. Maybe practice your English by listening to others.
Now the food arrives. The server might say, "Enjoy your meal," or "Here you go. Careful, the plate is hot."
You can say, "Thank you," or "This looks amazing."
During the meal, the server might check on you. "How is everything?" Or "Do you need anything else?"
If it's good, say, "It's great, thank you." If you need something, say, "Can I get more water, please?" Or "Could I have some ketchup?"
If something is wrong, your steak is too well done, your soup is cold, you can say, "Excuse me, my steak is a little overdone. Could I have it cooked less?"
Be polite. Restaurants want you to be happy. They'll usually fix it.
Now, after you finish eating, the server might ask, "Can I get you any dessert?" Or "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
If you want dessert, say, "Yes, please." If not, say, "No, thank you. Just the bill, please."
Or you can say, "Check, please." That's a common way to ask for the bill.
In some places, they'll bring the bill to your table. In others, you pay at the counter. Look around to see what others are doing.
Now let's talk about the bill. They'll bring a little folder or a piece of paper. It shows everything you ordered and the total.
Check it quickly to make sure it's correct. If something looks wrong, say, "Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake."
Now, paying. You can pay with cash or card. Can I pay by card? I'll pay with cash.
In many countries, it's common to leave a tip. That's extra money for the server, usually around 15 to 20% of the bill.
If you're not sure how much, you can ask, is tip included? Sometimes it's already added to the bill.
If you pay by card, they might bring a machine, or they'll take your card and bring it back. If you pay cash, you can leave the money on the table.
When you leave, you can say, thank you, have a great day, or just smile and wave.
Now, let's put it all together with a full conversation.
Let's do it. I'll be the customer, you be the server.
Hi, welcome. How many tonight?
Table for two, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Your server will be right with you.
Thank you.
Pause. Hi, I'm Sam. I'll be your server today. Can I start you with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please.
Great. And for you? To imaginary second person.
My friend will have water, thanks.
Perfect. I'll be right back with those. Take your time looking at the menu. Pause.
Thank you.
Returns. Ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the burger with fries, please. Medium.
Great choice. And for your friend?
She'll have the grilled chicken salad.
Excellent. I'll put that in for you. Later. How is everything?
It's great, thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
No, we're good, thanks. Could we get the check, please?
Of course. I'll be right back with that. Brings bill. Here you go. Take your time.
Thanks so much. Have a great day.
You too. Hope to see you again.
See? That's a whole restaurant experience in English. Nothing scary about it.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases.
Arriving. Table for blank, please. Do you have a reservation? We have a reservation under name. How long is the wait?
Ordering drinks. Can I get a water, Coke, lemonade? What juices do you have? I'll have drink, please.
Asking about food. What comes with the dish? Is this spicy? Do you have vegetarian options? What do you recommend?
Ordering food. I'll have the dish, please. I'd like the dish with side. Can I get the dish without ingredient?
During the meal. Could I get more water, bread? This is delicious. Everything is great, thanks.
Problems. Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. My food is a little cold. Could it be reheated? I think there's a mistake with the bill.
Paying. Check, please. Can we have the bill? Can I pay by card? Is tip included?
Leaving. Thank you. Everything was great. We'll definitely come back. Have a good night.
Now let's talk about different types of restaurants. Fast food, casual dining, fancy restaurants.
At a fast food place, you order at the counter. I'll have a number 3, please. For here or to go? To go.
At a casual restaurant, a server comes to your table, like we practiced.
At a fancy restaurant, there might be more courses, more servers, more formality, but the basic phrases work.
Now let's bring back Maya. Maya is at a restaurant for the first time in an English-speaking country.
She's nervous, but she practiced. She walks in.
Table for one, please.
The server seats her, gives her a menu. She looks at it. Lots of words she doesn't know.
But she remembers it's okay to ask. When the server comes, she says, "Excuse me, what's the catch of the day?"
The server explains. It's the fish we got fresh this morning. Today it's salmon.
Oh, that sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Great choice. How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
The food comes. It's delicious. The server checks on her. How is everything?
It's wonderful, thank you.
At the end, she asks for the bill. Check, please. She pays, leaves a tip, and smiles.
She did it. She survived. She even enjoyed it.
That's the goal. Not perfection. Just trying. Just communicating.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Go to a restaurant and practice. Even if it's just ordering one thing in English. Even if the server speaks your language.
Say the whole order in English. I'd like a burger, please. Ask a question. What comes with this?
If you can't go to a restaurant, practice at home. Pretend you're ordering. Say it out loud.
Record yourself. Listen back. Does it sound natural? Keep practicing.
Then share with us in the comments. Tell us about your restaurant experience. What did you order? How did it feel?
We read every comment. We celebrate every win with you.
Remember, every fluent speaker once stumbled through their first order. You're not alone.
You can do this. It's just food. It's just English. And you're already on your way.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, enjoy your meals and your English.
And hey, before you go, if this episode made you hungry and confident, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these practical episodes.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite thing to order at a restaurant? Practice in English.
We read every comment. Your answers make us hungry.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more learners build their confidence.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go eat something delicious.
Bye.